Hi, Dylan. Are you comfortable? Where's your cat? Where's your kitty cat? Where is he? Where's your cat? Is he in your blanket? Oh no, he's over here. Is that your cat? Are you getting comfortable in your box? Yeah, you like your box? Yeah. Are you gonna go to sleep now? You tired? Yeah? Okay. Oh, you need this moved? Here, mommy help. Watch out. Okay, get in. Get in your box. Dylan. Dylan, are you tired?